Miss Scoozy.
Let's see them try to nerf this. No hex required.
Remus, you, want this, Bunny Rabbit? Alright, Remus, just go get your buddy. Morty, with great power comes great responsibility, Morty.
I got the hookups for you guys. You're welcome. Excuse me, that just came out of nowhere.
Miss Scoozy!
God. Nailed it. Excuse me. Oh, there's the other one. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's good now.
Oh my god, that is disgusting.
Your face is disgusting.
Oh, I find your lack of faith disturbing.
You're a wizard, Morty. Harry.
He's king in the north.
Sorry, the old tailor can't come to the phone right now. Why? Oh, 'cause she's dead, Morty.
Mine who isn't a true nerd.
I think a voidling just came out.
Sorry, that was so unladylike. I was gonna say breakfast at Tiffany's.
Miss Scoozy. The John T. James. Burp part of the alphabet.
A, B, C, D, F, G.
I can do better. Oh, I feel another one. Okay. Oh, I want to say meow.
Yow. Yow. Bye, Joseph. Bye. It's the grabs. Brizzy grabs.
And I have to burp.
I.
Remember, girls, the only way to burp like a lady is to burp and be a lady.